Hello everyone, discuss the merits of globalization. Blessing of developing countries. Globalization has proved a blessing of developing countries. As a result of developing country have got opportunity to link their economy with economy to developed country, which has proved beneficial to developing countries. The percentage of poverty in developing country has decreased and their GDP has improved according to report of World Bank. The countries which have linked their economy with global economy during the past 20, their GDP has increased. The average age of their citizens has improved and their children have got better facilities to study. Next, flow of foreign capital from developed countries to developing countries. As a result of globalization, the flow of capital from developed country to developing country has increased, of which both have benefited. The developed countries have surplus capital which they are investing developing countries, and it's increased the production capability of the developing countries. Positive role of multinational companies. Globalization has also encouraged the entry of multinational companies, MNC, in global market, and these have played an important role in the development of global trade, production and techniques. MNC have best technique, administrative ability, and wide resources, and in whichever country they install their unit, they completely overhaul the system of the country. Is that clear? So next merit is end of protectionism. As a result of globalization, the policy of protectionism has come to an end. A few states had adopted the policy of protectionism towards small scale and cottage industry, which led to the decline of quality of production. So the consumer was also suffer as they had to only those things. But as a result of globalization, so many foreign companies have entered the domestic market of their other countries and have become challenge to small scale and cottage industry. Is that clear? So next merit is increase in knowledge. As a result of globalization, there has been diffusion of knowledge which has proved useful for developing country. Before globalization, there was monopoly of developed countries over knowledge and it was beyond the reach of developing country. But today, information technology has made tremendous progress and through internet knowledge has reached almost every home. Is it clear? The next merit is transfer of technology from developed country to developing country. As a result of globalization, transfer of technology has taken place from developed country to developing country, which has proved quite useful to the entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs mean businessmen. उनके लिए बहुत ही useful है, and developing countries too. So multinational companies have also played an important role in the transfer of technology. Today, in order to sell the goods in the market, special attention need to be paid towards advertisement and packing, and all this need technical know-how. Is that clear? Next merit is useful of consumer. The consumer have also benefited as a result of globalization. Globalization has encouraged competition, as a result of which the quality of good has increased. Mean the quality of good material has been increased in the market. Clear? So the market is overflowing with the goods and consumer is free to select the goods of his choice. Social and culture transformation. Globalization is not only economic event, it is social and culture event also. And as a result of it, so many social and culture changes have taken place in different countries. Interstate movement has increased manifold. So when the people from one country go to another country, they carry their customs and traditions also along with their effects on the other countries. It's natural. Similarly, when citizens of developed country go to developing country, they also carry their value along with which are certainly going to affect the people of developing countries. The value like respect of law, dignity of labor, collective goods, etc. are Western in nature and these have affected the people of other countries to some extent. Is that clear? Next, global opportunity of employment. As a result of globalization, the job opportunities have also increased. Today, the foreign company have opened their door for the well educated and trained young people, as a result of which lakhs of Indian doctors, engineer, experts of information technology, computer experts are working in on high salaries in the Western countries. The foreign companies working in developing countries have also provided job opportunity to people. Local issue have become global issue. As a result of globalization, local issue like protection of environment, violation of human rights, child labor, position of women in society, terrorism have become global issue. Global efforts are being made to solve these problems. The developing country have come to know that the developed country have contribute more to environment pollution, and today with the help of international organization they are putting pressure on the developed countries. It's on their responsibility. Like nowadays children, you can say, due to covid-19, all the countries do effort to overcome such kind of the problem. They're trying to make some vaccination so that we can heal such kind of the patients too. Next is economic development. We have read that result of globalization, internationalization of the finance capital has taken place, and flow of finance capital from one country to another country has increased manifold. Is that clear? So as a result of globalization, average life expectancy of citizens of the developing countries has increased considerably. The infant mortality rate has come down. Democracy and democratic values have spreaded. The proportion of people living below poverty line has coming down. During 1950 to 1999, the number of literate has grown from 52% to 81%. The number of child labor, which are 24% in 1960, has come down to 10% in 2000. That means lot many merits are there due to globalizations.